Hey, welcome to True Freedom Partners. Over the past few years, we've helped thousands of people, moms, students, immigrants, and career changers start a whole new journey in the life insurance and annuity world. Now, you might be thinking, wait, I've never done sales. I don't know how to talk to clients. I don't even have a license. That's totally okay. Most of the people we work with started from zero, just like that. Here at True Freedom Partners, we walk you through everything: how to get licensed, how to have real conversations with clients, and how to build your own business from the ground up. We've got free online training, group study sessions, and one-on-one coaching. You're never doing this alone. You'll also be connected with mentors who've already been there. Many of them started just like you, and now they're earning $5,000 to $10,000 a month part-time, or even more full-time. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from a few of them.
When I got started, I had zero experience. No background in sales. I was honestly nervous. But just 2 months in, I'd made over $3,000 in commission. And that was just the beginning.
Shout out to the leaders here. They really care. They support us, and they've all been where we are. Most of them have built six-figure businesses, and they're still showing up, helping us grow one step at a time. They know what works, what doesn't, and they'll guide you.
So, if you're curious about how this all works, just click the link below. Drop your name, email, and phone number, and register for our free intro session. This one step might just change your future. We'll see you inside.